Oh my gosh. I don't know what it is though, but it's so cute. Okay. Okay, you guys can see this. It's a mini fridge! This is what I asked for Christmas. Yay.
Open it.
Open it. And it's pink!
May mirror yan. Ito yung harap niya. Yan yung mirror.
Oh,
Yan.
it's so big.
Open.
Gosh!
Side.
Oh. Ah! It's so cute. I love it.
Sabihin mo.
Look at it. Ah, it's a little there and a little there. It's so cute.
Sabihin mo.
Thank you.